Health activists in Africa have slammed Johnson & Johnson for exporting vaccines produced in South Africa to countries in Europe which have already immunized large numbers of their people and have even donated vaccines to more needy countries. A New York Times report shows that millions of the Johnson & Johnson doses produced by Aspen Pharmacare in South Africa's Port Elizabeth were being exported to Europe. The report also claimed that the state had agreed to waive its right to ban exports to ensure Johnson & Johnson could ship the vaccines abroad. The one-dose Johnson & Johnson vaccines were exported from South Africa, where they had been assembled despite the pressing need for vaccines across Africa, where less than 3% of the continent's 1.3 billion people have been fully vaccinated. Following this, South African activists have demanded full disclosure of the government's agreement with Johnson & Johnson, among other jab manufacturers. They threatened using legal action to get the information. South Africa has vaccinated over 2.1 million people with the Johnson & Johnson vaccine. It is also using the Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine.